I'm trying कि मैं थोड़ी अपनी लेंथ भी छोटी कर दूँ, but I just don't want to take risk with my length.
I'm actually after my husband's life, कि please do it for me, but he just don't want to be on camera also. I'm gonna ask him to do it, and maybe then I'll show you.
And it finally happened! Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Naina and I hope you guys are doing well. Now, before I talk about the topic of today's video, I really want to talk about my hair. So you guys remember watching my first vlog. For those who haven't watched it yet, I'm gonna put the link here so you can go and watch right after this video. So basically in that vlog, I had cut my own bangs and I really wanted to make my hair length short. And I asked my husband to do it, but he was too camera shy and he denied it. But few days back, we were just randomly sitting and chilling. So I asked him, will you please cut my hair? So he said, I hope you won't record it and put it on YouTube. I said, no, I won't do it. I'm just gonna record it for our own memory. So please do it for me. So it was actually midnight, somewhere around 11:40 or 45. I don't even remember it clearly. So he took out his trimmer and made my length so short, but I'm really liking it. He likes it too, so that's what matters. So this is the length that I'm carrying now, and I really love it. And I never imagined that this would look so good on me because I have never got my hair so short ever in my life. And yeah, I'm kind of liking it. And my own bangs have grown out a little bit, like it comes here, and they kind of irritate me. So I like to keep it sideways now. But yeah, this is the length that I have now and I really like it. Plus it's summer, it's too hot, so I'm kind of enjoying it as well. And yeah, please tell me in the comments below, how do you guys like it? This is like the shortest length that I've ever had and I'm kind of enjoying it. I really like it. So please comment down below and tell me about it. Again, I have one more important thing to remind you guys. So I hope you guys are aware that I'm running a giveaway on my channel, and I'm gonna put the link here of that video where I'm running this giveaway. So if you haven't participated yet, go ahead and participate it now. The link is here. Please click that link. And yeah, all the rules of the giveaway are mentioned in the description box, so do check that out. Now, coming back to today's video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys my Nykaa haul. It's been so long that I'm doing a haul, and I understand that it's not the time to do a haul thing, but I was running out of everything, like my skincare, my makeup. I was bored of using the same makeup. I really wanted to buy some makeup because of the videos that I do, so I needed some new makeup, and mostly I was running out of all the skincare, so I had to buy it. So yeah, that's what I did. I did go ahead and purchase all of these things from Nykaa. I'm in no way motivating you guys to go ahead and purchase all these stuff if you don't need it. Since I make a lot of makeup and skincare videos, I needed all this stuff, and I am taking all the precautions while ordering all of this stuff. So I basically keep it for 1 or 2 days outside in the sun, and then I sanitize it, and then I again open all the stuff, sanitize it, and then again keep it for 1 day and then start using it. So yeah, I'm actually taking precautions from my end. So yeah, please do not send me any hated comments. So yeah, it's gonna be a little long video because I did buy a lot of stuff and I've been using all this stuff from the past 1 month now. So I'm also gonna be giving you a review of all the products that I've used till now. And yeah, just sit back, relax and enjoy watching this video. Now we're gonna start by skincare because I did buy a lot of skincare products. The first thing that I'm gonna start with is shampoo, because I don't know what happened, but in this lockdown my hair started falling like anything. I had such a bad hair fall. I was using the L'Oreal Hair Spa range, but it wasn't good at all. Like it smelled good, it was good, I don't know, but I think it didn't suit my hair and my hair started falling so badly. So I had to switch to another shampoo as soon as possible. So that's when I bought this Wella Professional Fusion Intense Repair shampoo. So this is how it looks. I really love the packaging, it's so good. I really love this rose gold and white combination. So this shampoo is basically for your hair fall treatment, and it has really shown me great results. Like my hair fall has not stopped completely. I've been using it for like a month now, and I have just used it for my 8 to 10 hair washes, but it has reduced it to some extent, and I'm really happy about it. It does leave my hair soft and silky. And with this I also bought the same Wella Professional Intense Repair Conditioner. This is how it looks. So basically I bought this combination to treat my hair fall, and yeah, I think it did a pretty well job. My hair fall has reduced. It has not stopped completely because I think my hair will take time to get used to this shampoo and conditioner. So yeah, this is what I've got. Now I really do not remember the pricing of each and every product because some of them were on discount, so I'm gonna put everything in the description box, so do check that out. And yeah, let's move on to the next product. Now the next thing that I've got are face washes. It's not just one face wash or two face wash. I've got 3 face wash, different types of face wash basically. So alright, I'm gonna start one by one. First face wash that I've got is this Herb Day Foaming Cleanser Aloe Mousse On. That is how you pronounce it. So this is what I've got. I've heard a lot of good things about using mousse as your face wash, and I really wanted to try one, so that's the reason I've got this. This is one of the variant from the brand The Face Shop. So yeah, this is enriched with aloe vera, and aloe vera really suits my skin, so that's the reason I bought this one. As you can see, it still has its packaging on. I haven't started using it yet because I'm using the other face washes that I have. So I'm going to be using it and will share the review of this on my Instagram. So if you're not following me on my Instagram, go ahead and follow me right now. My Instagram handle is right here. So yeah, this is one. Now the second face wash that I've got is from the brand Cetaphil. I have been using this brand from my graduation days. I still remember the days when I had those really heavy acne problems, and I went to see a doctor and he suggested me using Cetaphil. That time Nykaa was not there. Even if it was there, it was not even popular. So he did suggest me to go ahead and use Cetaphil products. I remember it buying from the medical store. So yeah, I've been using this stuff from so long. I did switch to different brands in between, but yeah, this is one thing that is constant in my life. So it's a gentle skin cleanser and it does leave your skin so nice, like I cannot even begin to tell you. It's recommended by dermatologists and it's actually really good. So if you're someone who has got a lot of skin problems, I think you should definitely go with this brand. It is so good, you will not be disappointed. The third face wash that I have is from the brand The Body Shop. It is their Carrot Wash range. This is how it looks. This face wash was recommended to me by my sister-in-law. She actually uses this range, so I happened to use her face wash once and I really loved the results afterwards. It does leave your face so nice and so clean. I really loved the results, so I really wanted to give this a shot, so that's the reason I bought this face wash. And yeah, I just can't wait to use it. Now the next thing that I've bought is from the brand Laneige. How do you pronounce it? So it's from the brand Laneige. It's Water Bank Hydro Essence. So I've heard a lot of good things about this brand. All the products of this brand are so good for any dry skin type. They are so hydrating, so I really wanted to give this a shot by myself. So yeah, I did go ahead and bought this Water Bank Hydro Essence. This is how it looks. I've been using it from the past 2 weeks now, yes, and I have to say it does leave your skin super hydrated. Someone who has a really dull skin type, like I'm one of those girls who have a really dull skin type. I don't understand why, because I drink gallons of water every day, but still I have very dull skin type. I really wanted something that would hydrate my skin, keep it moisturized, so that's when I went ahead with this product. I read a lot of good reviews about it and I really wanted to try it on my own, so that's the reason, and it's perfect to use it in summers as well. So yeah, that is that. Now the other thing that I bought is a clay mask. It's from the brand Color Bar. This is how the packaging looks. I'm just gonna open it. It also comes with a little brush. I think I've lost it somewhere, I cannot find it, but it does come with a little brush to apply the entire face pack. Now I really wanted to try Nykaa clay mask, but I don't know, when I was there on their website, that is when I came across this, and I really love the packaging, so I'm not gonna lie, but I really love the packaging of Color Bar clay mask. This is how it looks. It's again in a rose gold color, so that's the reason I bought it. But again, it also had great reviews, so that is another reason. So yeah, this is the clay mask that I've got. I've used it only once, and if you're wondering that why do I keep the outer packaging, is because it looks so good. So anything that has a great packaging, I like to keep that as well, so that's the reason I keep it. But yeah, this is the clay mask that I'm currently using, and it's super good. It mattifies your face. It again hydrates your skin, moisturizes it. It's perfect for acne prone skin. So yeah, that's the reason I got this. And yeah, as far as I remember, it's not that too expensive, so it is perfect. Now the next thing that I've got are 2 deodorants from the brand Nivea. So first one is this one. It's basically for women. It's a roll-on deodorant and it's perfect to use in summers. It's like my everyday product. I use this every single day, so I had to refill this. And the next one is again a roll-on deodorant, but it's the Nivea Men deodorant. So I bought this for Rishabh. So okay, we both use it every day, so that's that. Now the next thing that I've got is again from the brand Nivea, and it's their Nivea Sun Protection Body Spray. So this is how it looks. So basically it's just an SPF for your body. It comes in a spray bottle, so you just gotta spray it on your body, just rub it, and yeah, it's great. It has SPF 50 plus, so I think it's really great for summers, because we tend to apply sunscreen only on our face and not our body, and that's the reason we have such a big mismatch. So I really wanted to get this sun protection thing for my body, so that's the reason I've got this. And yeah, it's non-greasy, non-sticky, so it is also something that I use it every single day. Another thing that I want to show it to you guys is again from the brand Cetaphil. Their moisturizing cream. It's a huge tub. this is how it looks. So I have already told you about the brand Cetaphil. It's actually good. So if you're someone who actually has a lot of skin issues, then I would recommend you to go ahead and use the Cetaphil products. So this is a moisturizing cream that I'm using currently. It's a little bit of thick in texture, as you guys can see it, but it's super hydrating. You can use it all over your body as well as your face. It's great for both. Now the next thing that I've got is Mamaearth Overnight Repair Night Cream. I have already been using this. It's just a refill. It's super good, super nice. I really love this pump thing on top because it really helps you to get the exact amount that I need. And yeah, it's just something, again, a refill. I've been using it from the past, I don't know, 5-6 months, and yeah, it's just super great. It has collagen, saffron and daisy flower in it. Now we know that collagen and saffron is so good for your skin. It's paraben free, it's silicone free, it has bioactives, and it suits all skin types. So I have been using it for 5-6 months now and I have no complaints at all. This is perfect. It suits my skin. So I have a dry skin type and that makes my skin very dull. So I need something that has a good hydration and a good moisturizing quality in it. So that's the reason I only look forward to buy the products that has a lot of hydrating or moisturizing elements in it. So that's the reason I got this. You can definitely go ahead and invest in it, and yeah, that's how it is. The next thing that I have is again a sunblock. It's from the brand Neutrogena. It's their Ultra Sheer Sun Protection Cream. So this I basically use for my face, and this has SPF 50+. Again, this is something that I've been using it for years. I switched to Nivea and Mamaearth Sunblock in between, but I don't know, I just keep coming back to this brand. I really love it. I love how it feels on my skin. It's non-sticky, non-greasy. Again, it's very hydrating. So that is that. The next thing that I have is from the brand Vaseline. It's their hand cream. I never knew that Vaseline was making their hand creams, but I just randomly came across this one. I am someone who really likes to keep my hands moisturized all the time. So I love using creams that are particularly for hands, and that is when I came across this Vaseline hand cream. I'll show it to you guys. It's kind of a not very thick texture, but it's kind of a flowy texture. And it also smells really good, so that's the reason I really like it. And of course, it's not that expensive, and Vaseline is something which I've been using it from my childhood. Like, Vaseline is always there as a brand in my skincare. The next thing that I've got is from the brand L'Oreal. It is their CD Expert Primrose Oil. So basically it's the hair serum, and yeah, I love using L'Oreal hair serum. L'Oreal, I love it as a brand. I don't know why that shampoo didn't suit me. I am already using a serum that is again from the brand L'Oreal. So I haven't been able to start using this one, but I'm too excited to use it. As soon as I get over with that one, I'm gonna start using it and put a review of it on my Instagram. So again, do follow me on my Instagram. I really love the packaging. Like, I'm so much into lilac and purple shades these days, so I really love the packaging. Now the next thing again is a repurchase. You guys know that how much I love my essential oils. This one is from Nykaa, and this is the only brand, and this is the only fragrance that I always buy it. It's a Nykaa Lavender Essential Oil. It actually helps you to have a better and sound sleep. Yeah, it's again a repurchase. This is something that I really needed every single day. So, every single night. Another thing that I've got is from the brand Lux. Okay, Lux. ऐसा लगता है पता नहीं कितने पुराने टाइम के बाद बोला है. But yeah, I have actually bought this body wash from the brand Lux. So I have only used Lux as a product when I used to use soaps, but I don't know, after so many years I've bought this brand again. It's actually a shower gel. So I usually use the Body Shop or the Bath and Body Works shower gel, but recently I watched Malvika Satlani's video and she was really raving about this face wash a lot. And when I saw the price of this face wash, it's actually 250 ml for about ₹100. That's all. So I really wanted to give it a shot myself. Again, I haven't started using it yet, but yeah, I'm super excited to use it. The other thing that I've got is again something which I use every single day. So it's Garnier Micellar Water. Again, this is something that I use almost every single day, and this is one of the best drugstore micellar water you can ever get. So if you're on a budget, go ahead and buy this micellar water. It works like magic. It removes your makeup like anything, and yeah, it's the perfect drugstore micellar water ever. Alright, the next thing that I've got is this Tulips earbuds. I just got it randomly. You know the reason why. So yeah, this is what I've got. We actually ran out of most of the things, as you guys have noticed. So yeah, that's all I've got in the skincare. And now let's quickly move to the makeup part. For that, again, I'm telling you guys that all that I've shopped is something that I needed on daily basis, as I make videos on YouTube and I need to experiment with new makeup and I need to refill on the skincare. So yeah, that's the reason I've got, and by no means I am motivating you guys to go and shop if you don't need it. So yeah, back to the makeup haul. Right, so the first set of things that I'm gonna show it to you guys is from the brand Color Bar. So the first thing that I've got is the Color Bar mascara. This is Zoom and Whoosh mascara. This is how the outer packaging looks. I'm gonna open it and show it to you guys. So this is how it looks. It is very similar to the MAC mascara, and yeah, I have applied it right now and I think it is beautiful. It has a really big wand, so it's perfect. It actually volumizes your eyelashes really well. So yeah, I really love this. The next thing that I've got is this plucker. This is again from the Color Bar. So this is the plucker that I've got for my eyebrows, because it's been almost 3 months, you guys, and I haven't got my eyebrows done yet, and they are so bushy and they look so untidy. I really don't like it. But yeah, I really don't want to go out and get it done, and I have nothing that can really help me to get rid of all those bushiness. So yeah, I really wanted to try this plucker and see if I can really shape them at home, but I tried and it hurt so bad. It is so painful to use this plucker. This is how it is. It is so painful that I just managed to get rid of hair here only and nothing else, because it's really very painful and I think I won't be using it again. The next thing that I've got is a nail paint. It's this nail paint. It's kind of a coral color and it's in matte finish. Shade name is Sweet Coral and the shade number is 1225. It's a beautiful color and it dries out matte. It's a lovely color and I'm very much into pastels and coral, so that's the reason I've got this. And the next thing that I've got is this Color Bar nail paint remover. Again, it's a repurchase. I just wanted to restock on it and that's the reason I've got this. Then the next thing that I've got is something very unique and I haven't used it till now. I actually saw Debashree using this eye kajal from the brand Color Bar. It's a neon green kajal. This is how the packaging looks. Focus. Okay, yeah, this is how the packaging looks. It looked so lovely on her, so I really wanted to try it out, but I just couldn't. I think it's too much for me. I'm just gonna swatch it for you. Oopsie. This is how it looks. Again, I am trying to do some experiments with my makeup. I take a lot of inspiration from Pinterest and I try to upload IGTVs on my Instagram. So yeah, please go and follow me on my Instagram. And I think I'm soon gonna try this kajal pencil as well. That's all from the brand Color Bar. And now let's move to the next makeup items that I've got. The next thing that I've got is from the brand Milani. This is the first time ever that I'm using this brand, and the first thing that I've bought from this brand is not a lipstick but a foundation. So this is their Milani 2-in-1 foundation plus concealer. I have heard a lot of good things about their foundation range, so I really wanted to give it a shot since I've been using the same foundation for all my videos and I really wanted to try something new. So that's the reason that I've got this. And trust me, you guys, it took me about 3 days to find my right shade. Not easy. It was such a difficult task to find your right shade, and I still feel that I've got a lighter shade, but I think I'm gonna manage it. It looks beautiful. It sits beautifully on my skin. It has a medium coverage, so you can definitely build it up. And yeah, I just love using this foundation. I've been using this foundation in a lot of videos. So let me know in the comments below if you guys want me to review this foundation and also to tell you how to choose the right foundation shade for your skin. I will be glad to help you out, so do comment below. And yeah, this is the foundation that I've got. Next thing that I've got is from the brand Nykaa. It's their Strobe and Glow liquid highlighter. This is how the outer packaging looks. I've got it in the shade Blushed Moonlight, but I don't know. I think it's not Blushed Moonlight. There's some misprint on the packaging. So basically Blushed Moonlight is a pink color. I'm gonna post a picture here so you can see. Wanted that one only, but the one that I've got in the name of Blushed Moonlight is this gold color, which is I think their Gold Mine. So I think there is some misprint on this product, because the one that I ordered was Blushed Moonlight in the pink color and the one that I've got is in this gold color, which is I think the Gold Mine. I'm gonna put the picture here as well so you can check it out, and it's in gold color, but however the packaging says it's Blushed Moonlight. So yeah, I'm really not happy about it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna make it work. Other thing that I've got is such a disappointment, like I cannot tell you. So as I've already told you guys that I've started doing experimental makeup inspired from Pinterest, and that's the reason that I really wanted to buy a white eyeliner, so that, you know, for all the fun stuff to do it on my face. And that is when I came across this Color Essence eyeliner. I paid about like 200 or so for this eyeliner. thinking that it will be good since I have a Color Essence eye kajal pencil which is really good, but it's such a disappointment. Like, I cannot even begin to tell you. Just look at it. Just look at the wand, and now just see this. It doesn't work at all. There is no pigment, just very bad. It is a huge disappointment. I just feel like throwing it away. I'm really not happy. What a waste of money it is. Anyway, moving on to the next product that I have. So the next product that I've got is this pat stippling brush. I had one, but then it got ruined. It was bad, so I switched using beauty blenders. But I don't know, I'm just not comfortable using a beauty blender for my entire base. I'm fine using a blender for my concealer and everything. I just cannot use it to set my base, so that's the reason that I wanted a stippling brush. So I've already used this pat stippling brush and it works great. So again, it's a repurchase. So this is what I've got. The next thing that I've got is an eyebrow pencil. Again, you guys have seen me using this eyebrow pencil in most of the makeup videos. So this is the eyebrow pencil. It's from the brand Etude House. It's in dark brown color. It's a beautiful eyebrow pencil. Like, for the price, it's the best eyebrow pencil you can get. It doesn't come with a spoolie, but that doesn't matter. You can use any spoolie that you have. I'm just gonna swatch it for you guys. Look at it. It has a perfect amount of pigmentation that you need to do your brows, and it's a beautiful product. I really love it. It really makes a difference, and I just cannot stop using it since the time I've got it. Next thing that I've got is this Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. This has got beautiful rainbow colors. So many makeup bloggers are using such colors to do their makeup, so I really wanted to buy something in this color palette, but at a reasonable price. It has a beautiful color scheme, as you guys can see, and they are pigmented. So okay, I'm doing most of the makeup looks using this palette, and as you guys can see, it's very pigmented. So again, it's a beautiful eyeshadow palette and on a budget. So what else do you need? So this is that. Now the next two things that I've got are eye kajal pencils. So this is from the brand Lakme. So this is their Gelato range eye kajal pencil. One is in the pink color, the other one is the purple color. They are kind of good. They are quite expensive. I got it on discount, however. But I don't know, when I was trying to do my makeup using this pink pencil, it was not pigmented at all. Like, it is pigmented, but when I tried to apply it in my waterline, it was not at all pigmented. So I'm just gonna swatch it for you guys. It looks pigmented, but when I was trying to do my waterline with it, I just couldn't do it. I thought it's not that pigmented, and it breaks very easily. So as you can see, I just tried using it once, and it has got already a broken tip. So it breaks very easily, not that really pigmented, and quite expensive, but the lovely color range. So I've got these two colors. The other one is in the purple lilac shade. Again, I tried using this purple color for my eyes for this video, but again it got broke. I have a mixed review about these pencils. Like, I'm really not happy about it. I had some great expectations on my mind before buying these pencils, but they haven't stood up to my expectations, so I'm really not happy about it. But yeah, lovely color. I can definitely make it use. So yeah, that's what I have got. And now I'm gonna save the best for the last. So the next, last and the best thing that I've got is from the brand MAC, and this is their Fix Plus makeup spray. So this is how the outer packaging looks. I got this just like a week ago, and I've only used it once because it's so expensive that I only want to use it for special occasions. So yeah, this is how the packaging looks. I don't think I have anything to say about this product. Everybody knows about this product. MAC has some great makeup products. I've been really wanting to try this MAC Prep Plus Prime spray, and that is what I've got finally. Finally, I made up my heart and my mind to buy this expensive spray bottle. So yeah, that is what I've got. I've just used it once. It's all what everyone says, and yeah, this is the most expensive purchase that I've done in this entire haul. So I'm really excited about this as well. So you guys, with this we are done with the entire haul. This is all that I've got. As you guys can see that most of the things are repurchased that I actually ran out of. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this haul. If you did, you know the drill. Please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, comment down below and tell me how are you coping up in this lockdown, because honestly I am going nuts. Yeah, just comment down below and tell me what is keeping you sane in this lockdown. And yeah, if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, bell button, so every time I post a video you get notified. And if you haven't participated in my giveaway yet, go ahead and participate now. Go. I'm gonna see you guys next time.